Hello, Sophians. I am sure that you all are enjoying your lockdown at your homes and you are safe and healthy. Enjoyment के साथ साथ ऑनलाइन क्लासेस का फ़ायदा भी पूरी तरह उठाना है at the optimum. And please help your parents doing their household chores and help your junior brother and sisters to help them in their studies too. And I hope you all will do well and rock when we'll meet again. So we'll be starting with lesson number 3 of English grammar. This is for class 6. Noun the numbers. We are very familiar about singular and plural nouns, and we'll be doing it for the last 3-4 years English में और हिंदी में. जैसे लड़का अगर सिंगुलर में है तो वो प्लूरल में लड़के हो जाएगा, एज इन इंग्लिश बॉय विल बिकम बॉयज. अगर हम एक से ज़्यादा किसी पर्सन, थिंग या एनिमल की बात कर रहे होते हैं तो दैट इज प्लूरल नाउन. सो सिंगुलर नाउन इंडिकेट्स दैट द नाउन इज फॉर वन. जब हम सिंगुलर की बात करते हैं तब इसमें हम क्या बता रहे हैं कि दैट नाउन, वो संज्ञा जो है एक व्यक्ति, वस्तु, स्थान के लिए यूज हुआ है. For example, city, belief, negro, etc. The plural noun indicates that the noun is more than one. जब noun या संज्ञा more than one, एक से ज़्यादा हो जाती है, then it is known as a plural noun. For example, classes, bodies, children, etc. Formation of plural nouns from singular. अब singular से plural formation में लाने के लिए we need to go all these tables given on the page number 10 and 11. There are various rules which we need to follow. For example, ज्यादातर जितने भी सिंगुलर नाउन्स हैं एस लगाने से वो प्लूरल्स में चेंज हो जाते हैं, जो हमने प्रीवियस क्लासेस में पढ़ा. बट कहीं पर हम एस का यूज, डबल एस का यूज, आई एस का यूज एंड वॉवल चेंज होता है. देन एफ, जैसे काफ में सी ए एल एफ सिंगुलर में है तो प्लूरल में सी ए एल वी एस हो सकता है. सो देर आर सर्टन रूल्स विच वी नीड टू फॉलो and just go through these tables. Now come to page number 12, which says that many words have been adapted from other languages. हमने दूसरी languages से भी बहुत सारे शब्दों को लिया है. Such words have their plural forms adding to their native usage as well as according to English usage. The foreign plural should preferably be used. जैसा कुछ वर्ड्स को हमने, जो हमारे फॉरेन लैंग्वेज में यूज होते हैं, उनको हमने एज इट इज अपनी लैंग्वेज में इमेलगमेशन कर लिया है. सो देयर आर सर्टेन रूल्स विच वी हैव टू फॉलो. जैसे फॉर्मूला को हम इंग्लिश फॉरेन प्लूरल में फॉर्मूले और इंग्लिश प्लूरल में फॉर्मूलाज भी लिख सकते हैं, तो बोथ आर करेक्ट. सो प्लीज गो थ्रू दिस टेबल. Index, indices, indexes, criteria, criterions, phenomena, phenomenon, phenomenons, and curriculum, curricula, and curriculums. So these are certain various formation of singular into plurals. Please keep these in mind. Keep in mind the personal name and titles are changed from singular into plural as below. कुछ पर्सनल नेम और टाइटल्स को जब हम सिंगुलर से प्लूरल में चेंज करते हैं, मिस्टर विल बिकम मेसर्स, मिसेस, Mesdemis, Miss, Mrs, Miss, Mrs or Miss. Let's practice. Change the following nouns into plural. X-ray will become X-rays. Passerby will become passerbys, passerbys. Loss, losses. Fish, fishes. And balloons will become BALLOONS, balloons. And you have to do it yourself. Now come to the fill in the blanks with the plural of the noun given in the bracket. There is a help bracket which you have to insert the plural form of these words into the given spaces. The thief was caught by the policeman. So we need to change policeman into its plural form. So the plural of policeman will be policewoman. POLICEWOMAN. Simple, very simple. Next is a dolphin was playing with the child. Child is a singular noun, so child will become children. CHILDREN. Children is the plural form of child, and you have to do the remaining part. Then C part says rewrite the following sentences by changing all the singular into plural. The first one has been done for you. जितने भी singular यहाँ पे nouns हैं, you have to change all those nouns into plural and rewrite the sentence again with all the plurals. The child was skipping in the courtyard. The child का हो जाएगा the children were, because single person के लिए we have always use was, लेकिन when we use when the noun become plural we use were. So the sentence will be written as the children were skipping in the courtyards. Second, Pari saw a louse on her friend's neck. Louse जू होती है जो बालों में पड़ जाती है, तो इसका हो जाएगा Pari saw a louse नहीं, because a louse is used for a single louse, तो अब यहाँ पे plural हो जाएगा louses. Pari saw louses on her friend's neck. फ्रेंड के बाद apostrophe है, मतलब फ्रेंड की नेक पर उसने जुएं देखी. And do the other things. Spot the error in the following sentences and rewrite them correctly. नीचे कुछ 4 सेंटेंस दिए गए हैं, उसमें आपको एरर को स्पॉट करना है और उसे करेक्ट कर कर सामने दिए गए इन कॉलम्स में इंसर्ट करना है. यू हैव टू इंसर्ट द राइट सेंटेंस. शीप्स गिव्स अस वूल. शीप्स जो नाउन है, it is never written as sheeps in plural, so sheep will remain sheep always in whether it is singular or plural. So the correct form will be sheep gives us wool. Sheep gives us wool. So you have to do the remaining parts of it. Now we come to the chapter number 4, which is gender. Noun, the gender. Very simple, because we know there we are familiar with masculine noun, feminine noun, common genders and neuter genders. Masculine genders are the genders which is used noun as a male, and feminine gender में noun is a female. Common gender में it tells that a noun can only a male or a female, for example animal, advisor, advocate, artist, baby, etc. And while we use neuter gender, it means it tells that the noun is without life. जो noun है जिस संज्ञा का इस्तेमाल किया जा रहा है, it has no life, it is lifeless. For example chair, painting, waterfall, etc. Again there are certain boxes are given here, and you need to go through all these boxes. I'll be reading one for you. We can change a masculine noun into feminine by one of the following ways. We can add ESS at the end of the masculine noun to change it into feminine. As in author, author will become authoress, manager will become manageress, priest will become priestess, host, hostess, mayor, mayoress, shepherd, shepherdess, lion, lioness, poet, poetess, giant, giantess, and so on. And go through the remaining 3 tables. Now let's practice. Write the feminine gender for the following noun. Nephew, niece, N-I-E-C, niece, husband, wife, bridegroom, bridegroom, bride, bridegroom is dulha, so opposite feminine noun will be bride. Policeman will become policewoman, steward, stewardess, peacock, peahen, shepherd, shepherdess, author, authoress, horse, mare. Now come to the B part. Rewrite the following sentences changing masculine nouns into feminine. Masculine nouns को feminine noun में change करना है. Also make other suitable changes. The first one has been done for you. और आपको और भी जो changes करना है, जैसे अगर singular में है तो हम is या was का use करेंगे, अगर more than one है तो हम were का use करेंगे. So you have to keep all those things in mind while changing these sentences. A boy is playing in the playground. A girl is playing in the playground. So boy जो है हमने identify करा, it is a noun. So जब ये feminine में आया तो it will become automatically a girl. My husband has applied for the post. My wife has applied for the post. A prince rode a horse and went away. A princess rode a horse and went away. Our queen works a lot to serve poor people. Our king works a lot to serve poor people. My nephew is doing engineering. My niece is doing engineering. I think this is all clear. This is really very simple. Now you have to spot the error in the given sentences. Mrs. Reema is the author of this book. आपको यहाँ पर स्पॉट करना है एरर. Mrs. Rima is the author of this book. Gulliver seemed to be a giantess in Lilliput. Mrs. Rima is a female, feminine, so author will become authoress of this book. Gulliver seems to be a giantess in Lilliput. Gulliver is a male person, so यहाँ पर giantess का इस्तेमाल गलत किया गया है. It will has to be giant. My niece is a beautiful boy. Since we are using boy, so we'll be using nephew instead of niece. Mr. Sohan is the headmistress of our school. Mr. Sohan is used for a boy or for a man. So headmistress जो है it is wrong. It has to be headmaster of our school. I hope this is all clear. So please do all the exercises, and if you need any kind of help, please ask your parents and go through this video again and again so that you can understand this chapter very thoroughly. Thank you so much. Till next class. Bye bye.